So how to delete your Instagram account? Just to tap the three stripes on the top right, then head to settings and privacy. You want to click on account center, and then you want to go to password and no, not this one, personal details. You want to click here, and there's a deactivation or deletion. You can choose which one do you want. Deactivating your account means your account will be deactivated only temporary. You can enable it again, but deleting your account is permanent. I want to go with permanent here, and it doesn't really matter which one you choose. Just doesn't matter. Just say continue, and your account will be in your account. No, this is just a problem in my account. I'll just enter a password here and confirm. And your account has been scheduled for deletion. That's all.